Hey, it's Chris, and today we're going to talk about open houses. Realtors have been doing open houses for decades, and they remain to be a very important part of the marketing strategy for your home. The problem with open houses is that many agents have not kept up with the technology, nor do they employ newer marketing strategies to get your home in front of today's buyers who are qualified and ready to make a purchase. Many of these agents just place a lawn sign, passively post the open house online without a budget and social media posts, and in many cases they hold neighbor open only houses and knock on neighborhood doors to invite your neighbors to the open house. Well, these results are mixed, and depending on the agent, much of the effort is often placed on developing relationships with future sellers in the neighborhood, rather than connecting with qualified buyers to sell your house. Think about it. If you're going to sell to your neighbor, you really don't need me. The traditional open is not the best strategy for you. Neighbor-only opens and knocking the neighborhood attract people who are going to sell soon, who are going to be your competition, or they're going to be step-up buyers who would have to sell a house before buying yours. All of the agents that are out there know that accepting an offer contingent on a home sale for your house is not the best offer in our market. And that's exactly what they would be doing selling to a neighbor in your home. What we do is use our best efforts to perform the right activities to maximize the exposure of your home and drive people to your open home. Our mega open house activities start long before the open is scheduled, and we focus on finding real buyers and use a multi-channel approach: direct contact, passive advertising, appointment capture, lead capture, print collateral, curbside call capture, and email campaigns. All marketing the open house, and using our CalCapture tool on the curb, we're able to understand if that's working, because usually people will show 1 to 2 nights before the open and call to get more information. So in short, if you want to sell to your neighbor, you really don't need me. But if you're looking for more of a person that's going to employ a strategy to get buyers to your house, you should give me a call. If you'd like to learn more about our strategy for our mega open house, give me a call at 571-228-4159, or you can learn more about me or my business at chris-downey.com. Thanks, and have a great day.